Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm the Dog Father. Welcome to the Dog Father's Barbecue YouTube channel. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, you're not familiar with what goes on here, it's all good. We're gonna all walk you through this. All you gotta do is click on that logo down there in the bottom corner and become part of my subscriber list. What do I call those subscribers? I call them the Dog Pound. If you're already a subscriber, that means you're already in the Dog Pound. So Dog Pound, what's cracking? All right, guys, so today we're going to do something just a little bit different. You know, I love to cook and get into this and that and the other, and that's always going to continue. But today I'm going to slow down a little bit, and we got some items that we got that I'm going to go ahead and unbox, and I'm going to, you know, show you guys what we got. So if you're interested in seeing what we got, y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back in a second. Let's get it. All right, guys, so as I said, we got a couple of items today that I received in the mail that I want to share with you all. And but before I get to that, you know, I got to do something here that I've been needing to do for a little while, and that's some thank yous. I got to thank you guys, my subscribers, the Dog Pound. Thank you for your support. You know, I love cooking and I love trying to do a little, you know, do things a little differently or whatever. But hey, man, I mean, you guys are the ones that are supporting my channel, and I greatly appreciate it. When you give me those thumbs up and you subscribe and you give me those comments, you guys are letting me know that you like the content that I'm trying to create. So again, guys, thank you so much from the bottom of the Dog Father's heart. Thank you, guys. So along with my Dog Pound, I got a few guys out there that I've got to thank. You know, I couldn't get to where I'm at, and I know it's a young channel. I'm small, I'm growing and all that, but you know, hey, I couldn't have gotten this far without the help of quite a few other content creators out there. So I want to give them a big shout out. Oh, Cooking with CJ, that's right, you're my hero. I always tell CJ he's my hero. Cooking with CJ, great dude. Great channel. He's got some awesome interviews out there with all kinds of YouTube content creators. So if you're not familiar with Cooking with CJ's channel, I urge you to check out his channel, and I'm going to have a link to all of these content creators channels. I'll have it down there in the description box so you can go check him out. But yeah, first up, Cooking with CJ. Thank you, brother. I really appreciate you. Next up, my man, local guy, James at Amen and Claim 'em Smokers. Man, that guy is serious. When it comes to ribs, that's a dude. You need to check him out. James at Aim and Claim 'em. Guy is a phenomenal guy. Very knowledgeable in barbecue. Super knowledgeable in competition barbecue. And just like I said, he's an all-around great guy. So James at Aim and Claim 'em. Thank you, God, for your support. I really appreciate it. Hey, we need to go get some barbecue again real soon, brother. Hit me up. Next up, I'm going to show a little East Coast love to my man, Dash over at Steel Drum Smokers BBQ. Man, if you haven't seen his channel, go check him out. He's got a very interesting take on a lot of different aspects of barbecue and manufacturing and all kinds of things, man. This guy's he's an all-around good dude as well. And man, I mean, go check his channel out, guys. Thumbs up to Dash. I like what you're doing out there, brother. I really appreciate you. My man in El Paso, Smoking Joe. That's right, Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue. You know, Smoking Joe did a little barbecue crawl around the state of Texas a little while back, and he had a little bit of time he got to spend here in Austin, and I got to hook up with him. And man, it was a blast meeting Joe and his family. I mean, they're just awesome people, You know, really cool dude, man, and I mean, just really nice guy, all around nice guy. Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue. Excellent channel, makes excellent videos, and he just became an ambassador for Yoder Smokers. That's right. That's how serious that guy is. So you got to go check out Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue. Great content on his channel. Next up, man, a guy out there in Florida. I love this guy to death, man. He's giving me all kinds of love. And man, that's MeatCranium BBQ and Review. I appreciate you, bro. Every time you get a chance to shout me out, man, I see you doing it. I see you funneling people to me. I see your comments, brother, and I really appreciate the things that you say about my channel and the support you're giving me, man. I appreciate it. So, guys, make sure you go check out MeatCranium BBQ and Review. He's got some really good content and some very thorough reviews of different, you know, barbecue tools and smokers and grills and whatever. I mean, the he's a really all-around good dude, man. Go check him out. Next up, another local guy, big channel, T-Roy. That's right, T-Roy cooks responsibly. Now, T-Roy is, man, he's an awesome guy. I got an invite from T-Roy a while back. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen it, where we, you know, got together and we had a bunch of YouTubers together at his place, and we cooked a lot of different things. And man, it was a blast. I mean, especially for somebody like me, new to the whole YouTube channel deal, being invited in with these, you know, heavy hitters, man, it was an awesome time. So T-Roy, thank you very much for including me into the fold. And man, I can't wait to get some crawfish, brother. So next up, Texas style barbecue and cuisine, Chef Johnny. Man, Chef Johnny is a good dude. And man, when you talk about knowledge and cooking, I'm not talking about just barbecue. I'm talking about all around. This guy, he's probably forgotten more about cooking than I've ever learned in my life. And he's just an all-around humble guy, man. He'll take the time to share and show you and educate you on anything you want to learn about cooking. So I really urge you guys, go check out Chef Johnny. Chef Johnny at Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Excellent channel, guys. Excellent channel. Next up, Cooking with James. You know, Cooking with James. This guy, man, he gets in the kitchen. He does his thing, guys. And he's a very humble dude. And man, he loves to big up everybody else around him and help people, you know, achieve what they want to achieve in this YouTube journey. So, James, thank you, brother. I appreciate your support. Daddy Dutch BBQ. That's right, Kent, my man Kent. Thank you, God, man. You know, every time I'm watching, you know, on the interviews with CJ, the hot seat, you know, and man, I've heard you give my channel some big props, man, and I really appreciate you, Kent. I really appreciate you. Daddy Dutch BBQ and Daddy Dutch BBQ. If you haven't seen the whole thing with on smoking and grilling with AB, you have the battle of the kitchens and all that going on. Oh, Kent made the finals. That's right, the finals. Daddy Dutch BBQ finals. So hey, man, go check him out. He's doing some great things on that channel, guys. So Daddy Dutch, thank you, brother. My man out in Florida again, Jus Piddlin BBQ. You know, I'm on different time schedules than this guy a lot of times, and I don't get to catch a lot of his live chats and everything. But man, he's doing some great things down there too, man. And I really like your content. I like your live sessions, brother, and your discussions. You get into some really good discussions. So thank you, Sandy out at Jus Piddlin BBQ, man. Thank you. Next up, my man Kenneth, What's New Barbecue. That's right, What's New Barbecue. Man, if you don't know about What's New Barbecue, you have got to go check his channel out. This guy is man, he's just a humble dude that loves to barbecue. And I'll tell you, he loves to barbecue. I'm not playing. This dude loves to barbecue. You know, hey, he's also, not only is he just barbecuing, but man, he created a Facebook page for, you know, the barbecue community. You know, it's called NTBA, North Texas Barbecue Addicts. That's right, addicts, because you know what? We're addicted to doing this barbecue. That's how serious this guy is about it. And man, that channel has just blown up. So very positive things coming out of NTBA. Hey, Kenneth, man, you're doing a phenomenal job over there, brother. And thank you as well for your support at What's New Barbecue. And you know what? This next guy, I've got to give him a shout out. I'm sure you guys all know about him. And like I said, I got to cook with him at T-Roy's place a little while back. And that's old barbecue pitmaster Harry Sue. Harry Sue, thank you, brother. Thank you for the love and support you've given me. You shout out my channel and you talk about the smoked meatloaf that I made. And man, I really appreciate it. Along with that, I really love the fact that you are an awesome ambassador for the world of barbecue. Everywhere you go, man, you're lending a helping hand, you're educating, you're pulling people up, and you're trying to get people interested in doing barbecue, and it's not unnoticed, brother. Thank you for everything you've done for me, and thank you for everything you've done for the barbecue community, brother. Thank you very much, Harry Sue. All right, so let's get into what I want to get into in this video, guys. And what I want to do is I'm going to introduce you to a couple of items that I received here, and man, this first one was just, I can't even tell you how surprised I was to get this. A member of my dog pound, you know, and a guy that I grew up with, you know, is basically a brother to me. Him and my wife actually collaborated together to surprise the dog father. And what they did, guys, was they got me a presentation board. And look at this thing. Man, it's got the logo on it and everything. Look at that. I mean, it's just a good, sleek board, man. I tell you, I'm really digging this board. And, you know, you've probably seen it already in, you know, a couple of videos that I've done. Because I couldn't wait, man. I couldn't wait to just, you know, wait to unbox it. I had to go ahead and unbox that thing and, man, and put something on it because it was just such an awesome board. So yeah, that's what I had to do. So you know, my man Tudo Azul is the guy that did this. Tudo Azul, Tudo Azul, custom cutting boards and Pyrography, if I said that right. But yeah, this is I don't know if you guys can really see that, but I'll make sure I put his information down below. But it's tazboards.com if you want to go check him out. And man, like I said, he does some phenomenal things, man. I mean, these boards are awesome. I mean, they're just completely awesome. And he's making these boards out of woods he's getting from Africa and South America, as well as here in the United States. And like I said, it's just awesome work that he does, guys. So Taz boards, T-A-Z boards. You guys got to go check that out. I'll give you one more look at this. Again, this is just an awesome board that I got that's got my logo in there, you know. And so yeah, he's doing some great things. You can also look him up on Instagram, guys, and he's actually got a video on Instagram, and actually I believe he posted it on my page, on my Instagram page, where he's actually showing how he does this whole thing and getting your logo, you know, kind of etched into your board. So if you're looking for a board, man, that you want to get personalized, customized, you know, whatever, that's the guy you probably want to go check him out. So again, I'll put his information down below so you guys can go check that out. All right. Next up, we're going to get on to a box that I received. Bam! Look at there. That's from Victory Lane, guys. Victory Lane Smoking Joe's Pit Barbecue is an ambassador for Victory Lane Barbecue. And I noticed that he would always use his Victory Lane, you know, rubs and this and that and the other. And so, you know, I was like, hey, Joe, what's up with this Victory Lane stuff? You know, and he saw, oh, man, it's awesome stuff. You got to check him out. And so he hooked me up with the Victory Lane stuff. And so that's what we got here, guys. So let's check it out. All right, so let's see what we got in this box here. First up, looks like we got us a Victory Lane sticker. So that'll look pretty good on my Yoder competition cart. We got us some barbecue sauce, man. Some spicy barbecue sauce, guys. Look at there. Spicy barbecue sauce. So that'll be some goodness to try out pretty soon there. And we've got some nutty pecan barbecue rub. So look at our nutty pecan barbecue rub. Hopefully you guys are picking this up. Next up, we've got some garlic jalapeno seasonal. Now, I don't know if you guys have ever, you know, seen this, but I know I've seen Joe use this quite a bit. I think this is probably one of his favorites on his channel, and man, I can't wait to give this one a try. Championship Blend Garlic Jalapeno Seasonal. That's going to be pretty interesting. Next up, what do we have? We've got beef rub and seasoning. Another one there. Next up, we've got some cherry bomb barbecue rub, guys. Cherry bomb barbecue. That might be pretty tasty on some wings, man. Y'all know me. I'll get it in on that barbecue vortex with the Weber and some wings. So I think we're gonna have that in the very near future. And speaking of wings, we got some smoking chicken rub, guys. Come on, man. That's the barbecue gods talking to us. We got to get some wings on the grill. So I think that's what we're probably going to do pretty soon. Some smoking chicken rub, guys, from Victory Lane. So, man, tell you, we got some great stuff, guys. So, man, I can't thank you guys enough for this. You know, man, we got some things we're gonna have to do with these rubs, guys. We're gonna have to do it pretty soon, so y'all stay tuned for that, and we'll get into that. But before I go ahead and close this video out, let me just share what we're gonna continue on with here at the Dogfather's Barbecue YouTube channel. You guys have probably seen where I posted for the Mother's Day. I did this whole briskets and gravy thing, which is a good little brunch item, with the mimosa and everything. So I'm probably going to continue that series and put out one more that's going to probably be briskets Benedict. That's right, brisket Benedict. Next up after that is I think I'm going to start to get into some sandwiches and burgers. So I just haven't done that yet. So I think it's about that time. And yeah, May is that whole National Burger Month or whatever, but I haven't done any burgers or sandwiches yet. So I do, but I don't always film it, but I think I probably need to get it on film. So I'm probably going to get into doing some, I don't know, some Swiss mushroom type burgers, classic American cheeseburgers. I'll probably do some sort of ribeye steak sandwich, maybe a variation of different grilled cheese sandwiches, and probably break out the Camp Chef flat top. I haven't done that yet. I got this Camp Chef 36-inch flat top a while back, man, and I think I've only used it 4 or 5 times. So it's probably time to go ahead and break it out, start cooking some things on it, man. Get some breakfast on it, maybe get some burgers and sandwiches and whatever on it, like I said. And yeah, we're gonna have to do that. Another thing that I want to get into is I'm probably gonna show you guys how I do my shrimp and grits. Think Cajun. Guys, again, I appreciate everything you guys have done to support the channel. Be sure to get that thumbs up, give me a like, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to the channel already. And feel free to chime in down in the comments below, man, with any questions you guys have about how to cook this and that and the other or whatever. Feel free to shoot me suggestions, something that you want to see me try to cook or recreate or what have you. Man, shoot that up down there in the comment section, and we'll see if we can get that going. I'm going to continue to try to at least get out a video a week. Sometimes life gets in the way, as it does for everybody. So sometimes I might go a little less, sometimes I might go a little more. So we'll just have to roll with the punches and see where this journey takes us all. But hey, as long as the dog pound's with me, we're going to make it happen. All right? So, again, from the Dogfather, thank you guys for everything you've done to support the channel. Thank you guys for giving those thumbs up, those likes, those shares. Make sure you go and, hey, hit me up on Instagram. Like the Instagram channel. Hit me up on Facebook. I'm on Facebook, so like the Facebook channel or Facebook page. And hey guys, until next time, Dogfather's out. Peace.